Hi, this is John Ozzy here, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. I'm reviewing the account of Caleb. Caleb has been trading with us from the 7th of May 2021 up until the present day of 19th of July 2021. Caleb is trading at 30,000 US dollars, I believe. And let's look at the journey of Caleb. Caleb has 57 trades in total. He's won 44 out of 57 trades, which represents 77%. Lost 13 out of 57, which represents 23%. Looking at Caleb's monthly analytics, in May we've got 3.45% gain, June we got 3%, and July we got 3.43%. So overall, Caleb has done very well and well done in achieving this goal. Caleb has achieved this in just 57 trades, and looking at the percentage gain, this is very impressive. The best trade was 75 pips today, and the worst trade was minus 72.8 pips. And that best trade was for $341.47. So let's have a look at some of the trades Caleb has taken. As you can see, Caleb has been taking some big gains from 5 pips to 52 pips to 65 pips and even little 20 pip trades. But as you can see, the significant gains, he's kept his lot size consistent. But one thing, Caleb, I'll tell all my traders, consistent stop losses in place, it only makes you a better trader. You're a great trader, obviously, with experience, but you're not in the market for too long. But that little bit of discipline would make you even a better trader by getting that little consistency in and reducing your losses. So, Caleb, that's very good, and congratulations on that. And let's look at some of your gains here. Look at this 27.9 at 0.50. That's a big gain there. Look at 0.50 at 53.2. That's a big gain there. So you're really making big impressive gains. And as you can see, 38 pips. So your key to your strategy is locking in the 40 pip trades. And that's what's giving you your consistent run. So well done, Caleb, and congratulations. Let's just see the pairs in summary, what you've traded, and look at these. This is impressive. I'll recommend you stick to the pairs that brought you the most pips. As we can see, the Euro NZD has been one of your favorites. That's brought you 688.77. The pound yen, which has brought you 451.49, which is impressive. And you got the New Zealand dollar and yen 307.14, and you got the New Zealand dollar US dollar at $354. So impressive and well done. And more importantly, you got the US dollar Swiss franc. Well done, Caleb. This is an impressive account. I wish you all the best and congratulations, because you're not far away from 60,000 US dollars level 4. But one thing I'll recommend, always put a stop loss in place. That will help you definitely increase your win rate, because come on, you're on 77%. So I challenge you to reduce this deficit by 5%, which is 8%, 18%, and take your trading to 82%. And as you scale up, grow with your account as well. So congratulations and well done.